Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie Pineapple. So yeah, let's get started. So today what I'm going to do is just show you guys how I curl my hair and how I put in my extensions, or this might be like a two-parter video. I don't know, I haven't decided. You'll find out once you read this title, so you'll probably know what I'm doing. It's super simple, super easy. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. You can do this with any kind of instruments or anything like that. I'm just using what I have, but you don't have to buy the same products that I do, you know. You can make it work. You can make it work. So yes, yeah, so let's just get to it and I'll show you guys exactly how I style my hair. Alright. So first I like to spray my hair with this Aussie leave-in conditioner, which I really love. And basically it does make my hair soft and kind of tames it. So I'm just going to spray it a little bit further than what I normally would. And then now I'm just going to brush out my hair. I have a random wig brush that I like to use. Okay, so after I do that, I do use the Tresemme Heat Tamer. And I just really like this spray just because, you know, it protects my hair from damage. So you guys really like how I curl my hair. I get this is like the most requested video of all time. So what I'm going to do first is apply my hair extensions. So if you guys don't really care to see how I apply my hair extensions, I will put a timestamp so you guys could skip through just to the part where I do actually curl my hair. So let's just get started. So I do have packs of hair extensions that I did make myself. These were clip-ons. I purchased the hair from Sally's Beauty, which I'll have a link down below. And I basically first bought one pack, then a few months later I bought another pack, combined it with that extension, like the clips, and then I bought a third pack and combined that with my other 2 packs of hair extensions, if that makes sense. So now I'm just going to be applying them right now, and I like to start from the top down just because I found like that's the way that I could put my hair as high as possible, and then I just, you know, work my way down, and I feel like that blends out like the thickness of my hair like way better, if that makes any sense. I don't know, it's a theory. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to be honest with you guys, I leave my hair extensions in a drawer when I don't use them, and I haven't used them in forever. So yeah, they're like really knotted, but this is the first layer, well, the first part of my hair extensions that I am going to put on, and I'm just going to brush it out first and then start clipping it in. So right now this is the first piece of hair that I'm going to put on my head, and this one's like really, it has about 3, I put 3 tracks on this one, so it's like super duper thick. So now what I'm gonna do is just probably put it around here, pretty high up, and then I am just going to clip this with some hair clips. Okay. And now with the same brush that I like love, I'm just going to tease some of the parts of my hair just so it lasts, just so it hangs out a bit better, and then I'm going to attach my hair. And right away, I don't know if you guys could tell, but like right when I put the first layer of my hair extensions, I feel like it already kind of looks kind of decent, you know? And I just want to make sure that it's like super secure because I am going to be lifting this hair up to the clipped sides that I have. Okay, so now I basically attached all my major pieces of hair that I really wanted to focus on or whatever. So I put the biggest pieces of hair in my head, so my whole head is basically covered in hair extensions. And now what I'm going to do is just go in with the smaller random pieces that I have and start placing them wherever I feel like I need more hair, you know, which is like, girl, the more hair the better for me. So let's get to it. So first what I am going to do is I am going to attach these two pieces of hair on top of my head. So like I literally don't have that much space of where I put my actual extensions. So if you could see, I put them right here. So I'm just gonna put them around here just so it blends in better with my bangs and I don't have like a crazy like blunt section. You know what I mean? This used to be like more, when my hair was longer and I would wear hair extensions, I wouldn't really do this part, but now that my hair is shorter and before it was more prominent and you could tell more like, you know, that I had a blunt cut, I would always put this section on my head, like always. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do, but I am today, and I'm just gonna make sure that this is a little bit deeper towards the back because I just don't want it, I don't want it to show. Gonna make sure that this is parted equally, and I'm just going to attach this right on top of my head. And I just want to make sure that all of this is covered, that I don't have any hair or extensions showing, because that is like a great fear of mine. So now that I have that done, I'm just gonna go ahead. I have about 3 more clip-in extensions, and I'm just going to randomly add them. Okay, so I'm gonna clip this in here. And now I just have 2 more pieces that I'm just going to attach right under my ear. Okay. So now all of my extensions are basically put in. I'm going to start curling my hair. So normally what I do is I use a wide barrel. I'm not sure what the size is. I believe it's 1 inch. So I use a wide barrel, and I just tend to start not at the top of my head. So I noticed that like a lot of you guys always ask how I curl my hair, how I do it, but honestly it's always the same. Short or long, it's always the same. What I normally like to do, I'm so sorry if I keep saying my first step of curling my hair, doing anything to my hair, is I do use my Remington flat iron. This is like a $20 iron, and I love it. I love it, girl. So I use this, and I literally just go at the top of my head, and I kind of just, I'm gonna say 1 inch. I just straighten the top of my head. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm just gonna keep my flat iron on in case if I see more areas that I feel I need to straighten out. And so, as you could tell, probably like by my hair, this is kind of this is already naturally my regular hair, natural hair, and you could kind of see like the groove that it makes. So I like to follow that, and I don't like to curl my hair all the way at the top. How I achieve like my, I guess like beachy wavy look is I literally start curling my hair from here down, and that's it. Like I don't mess with the top because I'm just not about the life, you know what I mean? Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. From each, I don't part my hair in sections. I literally just grab a piece of my hair, start from right here, so kind of eye level, and then I hold it. I curl outwards, so I curl away from my face, if that makes sense. And I literally, and that's all I do. So I'm just going to keep repeating this process on both sides. And literally, that's my life. And the curler I'm using, it's an inch curler, and it's by PYT. I did a review on them a long time ago. This was sent for free. I love it. I use it all the time. I have other sizes of barrels in this curler, like it's interchangeable, but I just love this size. I feel like it gives me enough volume. It's amazing, so I'm for it. I'm with it. So for this section, what I like to do to blend in my hair is I grab a bit of my natural hair and curl it along with a piece of hair extension, and I find that it helps blend in way better than, you know, curling it any other way. Okay, so now that I did kind of like a passover, just, you know, curling the hairs that I see, now I'm just going to be more precise and kind of curl the hairs that I believe need to be curled again. Like this, for instance, needs to be curled again. And this little section right here, just so it blends in better, like this section. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how I curl my hair. If I feel like there's any other hairs that I need to address again, I normally do it a few times and I just go back in and re-curl my hair until I'm really satisfied. So like back here, I'll most likely curl it again, and that's pretty much it. This is how I do my hair all the time, literally same hairstyle. So hopefully this helped you guys out. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please comment down below, let me know what other videos you guys want to see, and if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe and follow me on all my other social medias like Instagram and Snapchat, and please make sure to hit that like button because it'll really help me out. Thank you so much. So okay, until next guys, Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.